Welcome everybody. Once again, I'm back. I'm Opal Fuller. I'm your food service supervisor here with the City of Daly City. And today we're making some comfort food. And what better than comfort food than some seafood gumbo? So today you're gonna come with me on my journey while I make some seafood gumbo my way. So I'm making gumbo my way. My father used to make a lot of gumbo, so I'm just making my recipe built off what I remember from him making it. So we're gonna start with our roux. And so what I was told, a basic roux was equal parts of either oil, butter, and flour. So today we're gonna go with 2 cups of canola oil and 2 cups of flour. So I'm just gonna stand here and patiently cook my roux until it becomes a nice dark golden color. It's all about what color you want it. Also, when you're cooking your roux, don't be in a hurry, because to get that golden color or that darkened color you want, it's gonna take you at least 30 to 45 minutes to get your roux the color you want. So I'm gonna wait here patiently and I'm gonna keep stirring. I'm not gonna walk away from it, because the minute you walk away from your roux is the minute it'll burn. So gumbo is cooked with love and patience. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, and as you can see, my roux has turned colors. This is the exact color I wanted. I don't want it too dark, but I didn't really want it that light either. But this seems to be perfect. So now, second part is when you get your roux, your consistency and color that you like, now you add your holy trinity, which is celery, onion, and bell pepper. I'm cooking with the heat on medium, so like I said, you don't want to be in a rush. So now you're gonna cook down your holy trinity in your roux. Okay, so we're just gonna cook down that holy trinity. Let it soften a bit. I give it about 10 minutes, give some good stirs and let it soften a bit. Okay, so after I peeled and deveined my shrimp, I kept the shells. And I boiled the shells in 2 quarts of water. And this is gonna be the start of my stock. So this is my stock. This is my own seafood stock that you can make easily by boiling the shells from your shrimp. So that's gonna go in. All of that in there. Now I'm gonna go in with another 2 quarts of chicken stock. Now I'm just making a family size pot. You know, you don't want to put too much stock, because once you start adding your ingredients, it starts to rise, and you want to be able to put just enough to fit the pot that you're using. Okay, now we're going to add our seasonings to our stock and our holy trinity. So this is thyme, smoked paprika, Old Bay seasoning, gumbo filet, I like to use it, and this is Tony's Cajun seasoning, granulated onion, granulated garlic, a little fresh garlic, and of course some bay leaves. We're gonna get all of our seasonings marinated in there and rolling around. Get that stock nice and seasoned the way you want it before you start to add in your chicken and your shrimp and your sausage. I tasted it. It tastes good. It's the right color. I really taste a nice seafood flavor from the shrimp shells and everything. So now I'm gonna go on and add my sausage. So I'm gonna add my hot smoked Louisiana sausage, because that's what we like, hot smoked sausage. And I'm also gonna add these chicken drumettes that I've already browned a little bit. I browned them a little bit just so that I didn't get that extra fat at the top of my water. Got a good stir. Shrimp is last. So I'm gonna give this a good stir, and I'm gonna let this go for a little bit before I come and add in my crab and my shrimp. Okay, let's take a look at our gumbo. It's been simmering for about 20 minutes. It looks delicious. Look at the roux. Look how thick that gravy is. Look at the sausage. Look at the holy trinity. Everything is coming out just how I wanted it. So at this point, I'm gonna go in and start adding my seafood, because I think it's time. So I am going to add in 2 pounds of jumbo prawns. Those 2 pounds in there. Got a good mix. And you know, gumbo is really what you make it. Gumbo is a stew. You can put in your gumbo whatever you choose. Now I'm going to come in with my crab. I've already cleaned him up, scraped all that hair off his body, broke him down. And now I'm going to let it go for another 15 minutes. It's been about 1 hour and 45 minutes, and I think we're done. Look at all that goodness. We got our crab, we got our shrimp, we got our chicken, we've got our Louisiana hot sausage, our holy trinity. Everything looks delicious. see, I got my bowls ready with my rice, and I'm gonna go ahead and ladle it on. Okay, there it is, my version of gumbo. It looks delicious. I'm going to enjoy it. I thank you all for your time. Have a healthy and happy Black History Month. This month means a lot to me because February 28th is my birthday. So enjoy. All the ingredients will be available for you after the video, and enjoy your day, and thank you.